Perfect cake baking. No more undercooked centers.
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common problem many of us face in our baking journeys, an undercooked center in our cakes. Stick with us to discover some tips and tricks to ensure your cake is baked to perfection, each and every time. Remember, perfectly baked cakes are a result of attention to detail and practice.
Are you preheating the oven correctly?
The first step towards a perfectly cooked cake is to preheat your oven properly. Make sure to preheat your oven for at least 15 to 20 minutes before putting your cake in. This ensures a consistent temperature from the start of your baking, promoting even cooking throughout your cake.
Is your oven temperature accurate?
It's important to make sure your oven's temperature is accurate. An oven that runs too hot might cook the outside of your cake quickly while leaving the center undercooked. Consider getting an oven thermometer to verify the accuracy of your oven's temperature settings.
Are you using the right cake pan?
The type of cake pan you use can have a big impact on how your cake cooks. Dark-colored or non-stick pans can cause the edges to cook faster than the center. Opt for light-colored or aluminum pans to promote even baking.
Are you positioning the cake correctly in the oven?
The position of your cake in the oven matters. For most ovens, the center rack is the best position as it allows for even heat distribution. Avoid placing the pan too close to the oven walls, as this can lead to uneven baking. Center your cake on the middle rack for the best results.
Are you checking your cake's doneness correctly?
Finally, always check the doneness of your cake before taking it out of the oven. A skewer inserted into the center should come out clean, or with just a few crumbs clinging to it. If there's any wet batter on the skewer, it needs more time. Baking the perfect cake doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to a beautifully baked cake every time. Remember, attention to detail and practice are your best friends in this endeavor. We hope this guide has been helpful and makes your next baking experience a piece of cake. Happy baking!